Welcome to our guide on essential skills for thriving homesteaders. If you're ready to take the plunge into a more self-sufficient and sustainable lifestyle, you're in the right place. We'll be exploring everything from renewable energy sources to food preservation, teaching you how to make the most of what nature has to offer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe as we'll be diving deeper into each topic in future videos. Are you ready to become more self-sufficient and sustainable? Let's start with renewable energy. Investing in solar, wind, or hydropower is a surefire way to become less reliant on the grid. It's like having your own personal power plant right in your backyard. This not only reduces your carbon footprint, but also increases your self-sufficiency. Plus, it's a great way to save on energy bills. So, why not give it a shot? Harness the power of nature, and you'll never be left in the dark. Next, let's delve into the art of food preservation. It's a skill that's as old as time, yet remarkably relevant for today's homesteader. By mastering methods like canning, drying, and fermenting, you can extend the life of your bountiful harvests. Imagine savoring the taste of summer in the heart of winter, or enjoying homegrown food without a trip to the grocery store. It's not just about saving money, it's about quality, self-reliance, and sustainability. Preserve your hard work and enjoy the fruits of your labor all year long. Now, let's talk about the seeds that keep on giving. When you plant your garden with heirloom seeds, you're investing in a legacy. These little wonders are naturally free from genetic modification and blessed with renewable qualities. As you harvest, you can save some seeds for the next planting season or share them with your neighbors. It's a beautiful cycle that keeps our plant diversity alive and thriving. So, when you sow your heirloom seeds, you're not just planting for today, you're planting for tomorrow. Plant the past, harvest the future. Let's turn waste into wealth with composting. Composting is the magic trick of homesteading, transforming what might seem like useless kitchen scraps and yard waste into black gold for your garden. It's a simple, natural process that reduces waste and improves soil health, enriching it with nutrients. This boost in soil fertility leads to more productive plants, and all without a single chemical in sight. It's nature's recycling program right in your backyard. Remember, a rind is a terrible thing to waste. Next, we'll tackle pests the natural way. Using a strategy called companion planting, you can deter pests from your crops. This involves planting certain plants together that naturally repel pests. Another method is to attract natural predators to your garden, like birds or ladybugs, which happily feast on common pests. These methods not only keep your garden healthy, but also contribute to the well-being of the environment by avoiding harmful chemicals. Remember, in the world of homesteading, nature is the best exterminator. Let's talk about the animals that give back. Small-scale livestock like chickens and goats are more than just farm animals. They're integral parts of a sustainable homestead ecosystem. Chickens provide us with fresh eggs, and their scratching and pecking helps turn the soil. Goats give us nutritious milk, and their manure is a fantastic soil amendment. These animals aren't just food providers, they're sustainability superheroes, playing vital roles in our efforts towards self-sufficiency. Every animal on your farm is a sustainable investment. Now let's dive into water harvesting and storage. This is your secret to sustainable irrigation and, with the right treatment, a reliable drinking supply. Imagine having the power to capture the sky's bounty every time it rains, storing it for those drier days. This isn't just smart, it's an act of respect towards our most precious resource. It's a way to ensure your homestead thrives, come rain or shine. So consider setting up your own rainwater collection and storage system. Remember, every drop counts. Next, let's roll up our sleeves and get hands-on. A homesteader's tool belt is brimming with a diverse range of do-it-yourself skills. From repairing fences to constructing chicken coops, these abilities are the backbone of a flourishing homestead. They offer independence, allowing you to maintain and enhance your property on your own terms. These skills aren't just about fixing and building, they're about empowering yourself to shape your world. So go on, learn, grow, fix, build. Become the jack of all trades your homestead needs. Now let's prepare for the unexpected. Life on a homestead can be full of surprises, both pleasant and not so. It's essential to have a well-stocked first aid kit handy for minor injuries and medical emergencies. In addition, planning for emergencies is a must. From power outages to natural disasters, knowing what to do can make all the difference. Craft a plan, practice it, and make sure everyone on your homestead knows it too. Remember, preparedness is the calm before, during, and after the storm. Next, let's go underground with root cellars. These subterranean storage spaces are a homesteader's secret weapon. By using the Earth's natural insulation, a root cellar creates the perfect environment for storing your bounty. Whether it's home-canned goods or an autumn harvest, your produce will enjoy an extended shelf life, reducing waste and ensuring you have fresh food throughout the year. So don't let that harvest go to waste. Go down under and store it in a root cellar. Keep your harvest fresh, naturally. Now let's get in sync with the seasons. A key skill for any homesteader is the ability to tailor their planting and harvesting activities to their local climate and seasons. Understanding the rhythm of the seasons allows you to work in harmony with nature rather than against it, leading to maximized efficiency and yield in your garden. It's about being proactive, not reactive. Know when to sow, when to reap, and when to let the land rest. Remember, nature doesn't rush, yet everything is accomplished. Let's talk about making every drop count. Water efficiency is a must for any homesteader, especially in dry areas. Implementing efficient watering systems such as drip irrigation can be a game changer. It's not just about saving water, but also about ensuring your plants get the optimal amount they need to thrive. This method directly targets the roots, reducing evaporation and runoff. It's like delivering a drink straight to your plant's doorstep. Remember, every drop is precious. Water is life. Use it wisely. Use it. Now let's venture into the wild with foraging. Foraging is a beautiful way to tap into nature's bounty. It's all about learning to safely identify and harvest wild edibles. Imagine the thrill of hunting for your own food and the satisfaction of a meal made from ingredients you gathered yourself. Plus, it adds a whole new level of diversity to your diet. You'll be amazed at the variety of flavors out there. So, don't be shy. Go out and explore. After all, nature is your grocery store. Next, let's heat things up with solar cooking. Imagine harnessing the sun's power to prepare your meals. A solar oven does just that, conserving energy and cutting down on utility bills. But that's not all. It also reduces heat in your home, keeping things cool during those scorching summer days. And when the grid goes down or you're out camping, a solar oven provides a reliable alternative for cooking. So why not give solar cooking a try? Cook with the power of the sun. Moving on, let's step into the world of greenhouse gardening. Imagine a space where you control the environment, ensuring optimal conditions for your plants all year round. A greenhouse allows you to extend your growing season, protect your plants from harsh weather, and even grow exotic fruits and vegetables that wouldn't normally flourish in your climate. It's a wonderful way to maximize your yield and diversity. Whether you build your own or buy a ready-made one, a greenhouse is a valuable addition to any sustainable lifestyle. Embrace the joy of growing with the help of a greenhouse. Finally, let's cultivate knowledge and community. The path to thriving as a homesteader is paved with continuous learning and shared wisdom. Picking up new skills, mastering different techniques, and passing on the torch of knowledge is what makes us resilient. Be it through local workshops or online platforms, every interaction is a chance to learn and contribute. By nurturing a supportive network, we not only boost our own self-sufficiency, but we also empower each other. Together, we grow.